It's Title Tuesday, here we go. Thoroughbred protects your deal, now you know.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Title Tuesday. I'm Eric, the president of Thoroughbred Title. Last week, we talked about the types of title defects that show up in a search and how they're resolved before closing. This week, we're focusing on surveys, what they are, how they're used, and why they can impact a transaction. At its core, a survey is a professional measurement of a property's physical boundaries and improvements. It shows where the boundary lines are located on the ground and how structures like the house, the driveway, fences, and other improvements relate to those lines. If the title search tells us what's recorded in the public record, the survey shows us what's happening physically on the property. And this is truly the place where a picture is worth 1,000 words. In many transactions, depending on the circumstances, we may be able to reuse an existing survey, or we may need to order a new one. The decision often depends on underwriting requirements, changes to the property, or questions about boundaries that need clarification. Common survey-related issues include encroachments, where a fence, driveway, or structure crosses a boundary line, improvements built too close to or over setback lines, easements affecting the use of the property, access questions, differences between the deed description and what's physically occupied. These issues don't automatically stop a transaction, but they may require clarification or resolution before closing. Sometimes that resolution can take the form of a boundary line agreement between neighboring property owners, formally documenting where the boundary is recognized and agreed upon. Other times, it may involve confirming that a condition is acceptable from an insurability standpoint. The key point is this: a survey provides a clear visual understanding of the property beyond the legal description in the deed. It helps align the record with reality. We'll see you next week for another Title Tuesday, where we'll take a closer look at easements, what they are, and how they affect property rights.
Connect with Thoroughbred Title at tbtitle.com. Find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Links are in the first comment.